1. Dig into mod management, PC only. If you use mods on PC, they might conflict with the update. Try disabling all mods and see if the invisibility persists. If it disappears, re-enable mods one by one to identify the culprit. Consider compatibility patches or alternative mods. 2. Verify game files, all platforms. This checks for corrupted files within the game installation. Steam. Right-click Fallout 4 in your library, go to Properties, Local Files, Verify integrity of game files. Consoles. Consult your platform-specific instructions for verifying game files. 3. Console commands, PC only, use with caution. This approach requires some technical knowledge and carries a risk of save file corruption. Use it as a last resort. Research specific commands online for revealing hidden objects or manipulating weapon models. Be sure to back up your saves before attempting this. 4. Reinstall the game, all platforms. A reinstall might resolve corrupted core game files causing the glitch. Back up your saves before reinstalling.